And the winners are... Oh, I have to sneeze. I have allergies. First I thought I'm coming down with a cold, and then I thought that can't be. Then I took allergy medication and it got better, but now it's wearing off because it's late. Just when I wanted to announce the winners, I have to sneeze, but it's not coming. Okay, the winners are Gabae, that's what she calls herself on YouTube, and Jeff from Jeff and Things. You have made me very happy with all your comments and inputs. Jeff from Jeff and Things. His YouTube channel is really fun. He has a lot of interests. It's music. He's a multi-instrumentalist and a good one. Spinning, bushcraft, craft, and log sport. I have not really followed log sport before, but I've watched his videos and it's impressive how fast he opens logs. I almost feel like I want to try too and beat him. I can't. He has all his tools that he made himself and they look like they're serious tools. Maybe, I don't know if he spins with a spinning wheel. I think he just spins with spindles, which he did himself too. Jeff also drop spindles dogbane and different other wild fibers. It's highly interesting. I really want to drop spindle or spin dogbane too, or wild fiber. I have to figure out what I can find in Switzerland that I can spin from the forest. But maybe he can use those hooks as tensioner for the picking. I'm not sure if they're strong enough. They're very thin and they're not flat in the front. I noticed his tensioners are all flat. Maybe that's what they have to be. I'm not sure. I mean, he could make it flat if needed, or maybe there's some locks that need just that type hook. I have the feeling this one is a little sturdier. The tensioner, as I understood by watching the videos, you have to, for the tumbler, you have to turn it and then go in and push up all the different knobs that come out in the hole. I really never tried, but that's what I would do. I would turn it and go in, and he does it in seconds. So this one looks a little sturdier. That's the one you're gonna get, Jeff. And I want to see you picking a log with this. And I think you're gonna get the mushroom one because you're doing bushcraft, and in the bush you can survive on mushrooms. And the silk and the surprise. Gabae has a Insta, this one, and there she shows her spindling and knitting and spinning and alpaca washing, and it's lovely. I always look forward to see what she has been up to, so you can check her out too. I put the links to Jeff's channel and Gabae's Insta in the description. And Gabae gets this one. I like that she gets this one because she seems like a funky personality. She likes my crazy fiber music shorts, so she must like that beat too. And it fits the leaves here. It's a nice combo. She also gets some silk and a little surprise. You both were so awesome. I love to have you on my channel. Don't unsubscribe, please. I also want to read the poems you both wrote. So Jeff was the first to submit the poem. And here it goes. Chain of Beauty. mushroom and lichen, elegant beauty, taken from the forest, transformed and preserved for a higher purpose. And so he continues, transforming fiber to thread, locking in new form, creating new beauty from humble beginnings. As a candle flame shares with other candles, beauty begets beauty, spreading through the world, creating joy, dispersing smiles. Isn't it lovely? Thank you so much, Jeff. Oh, by the way, I want to hear that song. All right? You got to sing this one. All right, then Gabae. She made a haiku in Swiss, in Bernese, Swiss. It's where the capital of Switzerland is, Bern. Geschwinde drehen, Luftzug wehen, Federli zieht, Dreikraft flieht, Spindelfrau, lacht einmal, Glanz im Gesicht, Fadengeschichte. In den Fingern Schönheitsschimmer, Muschelglanz, Rosentanz, Bild zur Nacht, wohl gemacht. Isn't it awesome? Should I translate this now for all you English speakers? Geschwinde drehen, Luftzug wehen. Fast I turn, the air blows. A thread pulls, the turning force stops. Spinning woman laughs once, shine in her face, thread story. Between the fingers, beauty shimmering, shell shine, rose dance, mushroom in the night, yarn is made. It's awesome, it rhymes. Alrighty, congratulations to your prizes. Oh, I almost forgot. Please contact me. I have an email now just for you. I actually made a Stitch de la Suisse email on my channel. You can write me there how I should contact you. I won't use your email addresses for email lists. First of all, I'm a super small channel. I have barely views. And also, even in the future, if I become a superstar, I won't use your emails unless you tell me I can. I promise. If you trust me, write me an email and we figure out how we do this. I could also travel to your city, Gabae, and see you in person. Would love to travel there. I haven't been there in a while. All right. Thank you very much. I hope to talk to you soon and stay on my channel. Bye.